Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 20 of saving $10 a day in April. And I am working towards finishing as many minis and tinies as I can in my stash. I always try to separate that, but I don't know why. So we are going to start at the Paperclip, but first we need to get our prop coins, and I bring $10 in cash and I'm going to exchange it for $10 in prop coins. So we'll put our $10 in the bank. And I'll put my 5 there, and my 1's back here. All right, so now we are going to go to the Paperclip, which is at 5. All right, I'm trying to work with the angle that I've got for now so I can reach the dice tower. Okay, so let's do the pink one today. So I am going to roll my D3. And I'm going to put down however many prop coins that the number is. I think I said that backwards, but that's okay. Hopefully it made sense. And we're going to go to 1. How are you today? I am filming this a little ahead of time. We're going to take that 3 for 3. But I am doing good. Blinged a ton of dice over the weekend. 2. I feel like I may or may not have glued my fingers together 2 or 3 times, but they're not glued together now. 1 and 2. And then, did I skip 2? No. Is this our first time at 2? I feel like I skipped 2. We're just going to give it another 1, and we'll put 50 cents on 3, and we'll start. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. We're just moving on. I feel like I messed that all up. But day 20 is apparently just a suggestion of what we're going to put on our challenges. All right, so we have $1.50 going into number 1. Number 1 is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets, formerly Printable by Woods. So let's get out. I'm trying to use up markers that I've purchased and don't use. Like, I'm not a huge fan of the Crayola clicks. They're really long, and I feel like this little part, I did a review on it, and I don't think it clicks smoothly. I don't know. I'm just not a huge fan, but I bought it, so I want to use it. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, so that's that, and then 25 and 50. So we are making good progress on that one. That one will save us $5 when we are done. All right, number 2. Number 2 got $1.25. And number 2 is this adorable one from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. I don't think the clicks like laminated, so I'll go to my trusty Sharpie. So we have $1.25. So 25, 50, 75, $1. I don't know why I'm doing this weird. 25. Okay. Look at how precious that is. I love it. And that one will save us $3 when we are done. All right, number 3 got $2.50. And number 3 is, oh, this was one of mine. We just needed $1, so I'm going to take that $1 away, and I'm going to cross off for 25, 50, 75, $1. This is free on my Ko-fi, so that saved us $4, and we still have $1.50 we can add into. So let's go back here to our extras. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Book Talk made me read it. I really want to color these in, so I might color this in. So $1.50. I'll be right back. Okay, so there's my $1.50 in number 3. All right, and then number 4 got $1.25. And, oh, it just needed 50 cents. So I'll take this 50 away. This is from Becca at BeccaBudget777. I'm supposed to be using my click arts. Just not a fan. So 25 and 50. So yay, we saved $6 and we still have 75 cents we can put into a new one. So let's go to this big one. What is this one? This is from 4 Dizzy Birds. I feel like I want to color in the circle. So we have 75 cents. I'll be right back. Perfect. So that one will save us $4. This is done. So let's see what number 5 got. 5 got $1.75. This one is from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. And we got $1.75. So we can do 25, 50, and 75, and then we can do the whole next row for $1. And this one will save us $4. This is from a Wednesday Night Live exclusive. She gives away a lot of freebies. If you haven't joined anyone's live yet, her and Miss Judy at Save with Judy give away a lot of freebies. I haven't gotten on that bandwagon yet, but I should. At some point, I'll get my act together. All right, so we have $1.75 going into number 6. And we needed $1.50. So we finished this one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. I am going to color that in and I'll be right back. Okay, I didn't do a very good job because the Crayola clicks are really clunky. I don't know, I don't like it. But I bought it, so I want to use it. All right, so let's put in one more extra. We have this one from Budgeting with Bree, $14.87. I don't give a cluck. This saves $6, and we have 25 cents to go in it. So let's do, maybe if I do a smaller egg. Maybe. All right, so we started that one. That will save us $6. So we finished a few. All right, so we have 6 and 4 for $10 plus 3, and that is $13. So let's get, oops, let's put our prop coins away first. Let's give them a little mix. And then let's get $13 out of our bank. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then we go, I don't even remember where, we're just going to start at number 1. I don't know what I did today. I messed up a lot. So we're going to go back to our completed and we're going to put our $13 in here. And then we're going to put 3 of our completed minis and tinies in here. Love it. Fantastic. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for day 20. And I am looking forward to seeing if we can complete any tomorrow as well. So have a great rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.